Hello viewers, welcome to Prepare Yourself YouTube channel. Today's I discuss how to draw a national flag and heart. Now let's start. First of all, I draw a heart. First, I take a then I draw a heart. Now click here, click here, click here, click here, click, 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 click here, and you can click here. Now press enter, then select it. Now click mirror, then select first point, then select another point and press in no. Then you got a heart. Now I give the color, press gradient, and I take red color. I take red color and I put here. Now I draw a national flag. First of all, I take rectangle, then I take a circle, now I take color, click here and go to gradient and take gradient, and now I take red color, take red color and apply it here and press enter. Again go to the gradient and take green color, take green color, apply here and press enter. That's all for the today. Thanks for watching my video.